Here's something we haven't said in a while. Crypto is rallying again. Bitcoin is back above $72,000 after the Treasury Department's surprise announcement yesterday boosted risk assets. You could say debasement assets. Anyway, that isn't the only catalyst for crypto. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong joined CNBC this morning, sounding confident about next month's Clarity Act vote.
I'm pretty optimistic it'll get over 60 votes, and I think both sides got 90% or so of what they want, which, in any deal I've been a part of, that you say yes to that deal.
Well, prediction markets aren't sharing his optimism. Kalshi is pricing in just a 23% chance that Clarity becomes law by year end. Joining us now is VanEck's Fund's head of digital assets research, Matthew Sigel. Matthew, good to see you. What odds would you give it? You've been prescient. I noted when Bitcoin started rallying again, I remembered you telling us to maybe look for a little bit of that upside. But what would you say about Clarity at this point?
I don't think this move is about Clarity at all. I think this is all about what the Treasury has done, and it is reigniting these fears of fiscal dominance. I heard your last guest say that T-bills as a percentage of the marketable debt is normal range. I disagree with that. The Treasury's own advisory committee recommends T-bills around 15 to 20% of marketable debt. We're at 23% and going higher. So as the Treasury finances more of that debt on the short end, it hits the fiscal balance immediately. It makes keeping rates high increasingly expensive. Something has to absorb that pressure. The market's telling you it's the dollar. And over the last 15 years, the only persistent correlation that Bitcoin has shown is a negative one with the dollar. So, we think this ultimately means lower real rates, a structurally weaker dollar, and Bitcoin is one of the best hedges you can find on that dynamic. So I don't think the market's looking at Clarity right now.
I think you just said it perfectly. I think you just perfectly encapsulated why we've seen the move the last day and a half that we have from the Treasury's announcement. Everybody else says that people like me are overreacting. I don't think so. I think it's a big deal what they're doing. Now, we might disagree about whether that's expressed in Bitcoin or in gold or what have you. We should show the dollar as well, the DXY maybe. And this is why you look at Japan and what happens. They're capping what could happen with rates, and so people are shorting the currency. They're pushing it lower. I don't want the same thing to happen here, but you're positioning for it. I mean, you know what I mean? We sort of feel like that's the path that we're on. Is that right?
Yeah, I think it's easy for policymakers to handle a slightly weaker dollar and a little bit higher inflation than it is an exploding budget deficit. So, yeah, I think it caps rates, and that's where Bitcoin shines. And the interesting thing about it is, for Bitcoin, is that it came at a time when, given the 4-year cycle, Bitcoin was already looking very late in its correction. The average bear market is about 12 months. We're 10 months in. We look at a lot of metrics around the average cost basis and what the derivatives market is saying. So we've got these 12 capitulation indicators. They've all fired a positive for Bitcoin in the last 3 months. 8 out of the 12 are positive right now. Volatility was at an all-time low, so it was a coiled spring, and I think it goes higher.
So where does it go quickly? And running short on time, but that's what most people care about is 100K now, later in the future. I mean, could it go high? But in all seriousness, what do you see as likely to be the next move? How high? When?
Well, so far the move is all short covering. There's been $3 billion of short liquidations in the last 24 hours. It's an all-time record. So, feels like if we get the real money stepping in, maybe we go higher. Nothing is in a straight line. I told you guys 100K would be next year. Still believe that. And then, long-term, 2029, say we can hit 500K if the cycle plays out as usual.
Well, I think you got our attention. Matthew, thanks so much. Really good to see you.